Hello, viewers, welcome to another class of best grade mathematics online class. And we are looking at WASSCE 2024 question 4. This is Ghana edition, core mathematics. And this is a question on circuit theory or angular properties in a circle. And then it said in the diagram PQRS are points on the circle center O. So take note, O is the center. It means that P, since the line PQ is passing through the center, this particular line will be the diameter. Even the question has stated it. Okay, PQ is a diameter. Angle RTP. RTP is 20 degrees. QSR. QSR, yeah, is 30. Calculate angle QRS. Angle QR, yeah, and S, angle QRS. So we are supposed to calculate that particular angle there. Okay, so how do we calculate the angle here? One thing we should take notice, PQ is what? Is a diameter. And what if we have a diameter? The property, a property about diameter says that an angle in diameter subtended at the circumference of a circle is equal to what? Is equal to 90 degrees. So if this is my diameter, then the diameter subtends an angle at the circumference at this particular point, okay? At this particular place. So my diameter is here, this line here and this line, they meet at this place. So the angle is formed here. It means the angle PSQ is going to be what? Angle PSQ is 90 degrees. Angle PSQ is 90 degrees. If that is the case, that angle PSQ is 90 degrees, we are looking for this particular angle. Alright. And look here. PT is a straight line. Okay, so what will happen is that it will make this particular place will also be what? Also be equal to 90 degrees. Alright. Because PT is a straight line. So 90 plus 90 will give me 180 angle on a straight line. Okay. If that is the case, we are giving RTS as 20 degrees here, okay? And you see that RST is a triangle RST, 1, 2, and then 3, all right? And we know here as 90, this place is 30, all right? So all this particular place here will give me 90 plus 30, which is what? 120 degrees. Then I get the 120, and here is 20. So that when I add angle at R plus this particular angle plus the angle 20, it will give me what? 180 degrees. That is the interior angle, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. So the angle here plus the angle here plus the 20 degrees is going to give me 180 degrees. So what will I say? Well, we can say the angle QS, angle QST, ST is also equal to what? 90, 180 minus 90, which will be equal to 90 degrees. So my angle QST here is 90 degrees, angle of the straight line. All right, and we know the angle, it will make angle RST, angle RST to be equal to what? Angle RST is here, RS and then T to be equal to 30 plus 90, and that will give us what? 120 degrees. So the angle here is 120, and we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to what? 180. So what can we say about angle QRS? QRS, we can say that angle QR is equal to 180 minus the angle here and then the angle here. All right, so our angle QRS is 180 minus the addition of angle RST and angle what? RT or RTP. Okay. So that when you add these two angles, 1, 2, and subtract from 180, you are going to get this particular angle. And that is going to be 180 minus, what is angle RST? 120 plus angle RTP, which is what? 20. So what it means here is that we are adding the two angles here, and then we subtract from what? 180, so that we get here, because we know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So we have what? 180 minus 120 plus 20 will give me 140 degrees. And that is going to give 180 minus 140 will give me what? 40 degrees. So it means that our angle QRS is going to be here, is going to be what? Is going to be 40 degrees. Is going to be 40 degrees. So that is about angle QRS. I know you have understood. Okay. Let's move on to the second question. The B. Okay, so the B, we are supposed to find angle PQS. Angle PQS. Where is angle PQS? PQS. That is the angle here. Okay, this particular angle. PQS. That is the place we are supposed to find. Alright, so let's look at something. We know he has 40, we know he has 30. So what is left for us to find this particular angle? Alright, then when we get to know here, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So 40 plus 30 here plus this particular two angles here, or this angle here, will give us what? Will give us 180 degrees. You see that? Sure. So that is what we are going to get. Okay. So we know that this particular angle here, okay, also at 60 degrees, because this is a diameter and it's subtend an angle of 90 at the circumference. So here is 30, here will be 60. And one of the properties is that, okay, when we have an arc or a chord, okay, the angle, this is our arc, or let's say a chord, if you remember, okay, the angle that this particular, or the angle that this particular arc or chord subtend at the circumference of the circle are the same. That is, if they are in the same what? In the same segment. So from this arc or this chord, I have an angle from here. So this line is from this arc. This line from the, they are meeting here to get 60. The same arc or chord, we have this particular line here, this particular line here. They are also meeting here. Alright. So it is telling me that this particular angle and this particular angle are the same. So if here is 60, here is also going to be what? Here is going to be 60. And then I can get the angle I'm looking for. Is that okay? Alright. So what I will first of all say is that my angle, so if I get here 60, then 40 plus 30 plus 60, when I subtract from 180, then I'll get it, because the sum of the interior angles 1, 2, 3 is going to, this is a triangle, 1, 2, 3. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle will give me what? 180. So this angle plus, or this angle plus this is going to give me 180. Alright. So I'll take this angle plus 30 here plus the 60 here, because this is the same at this place, and I'll subtract from 180 and I'll get the angle I'm looking for. Alright, so what do I say first? First of all, this particular angle RSP, angle RSP, we know that is equal to what? 90 minus 30, which will give us 60 degrees, because we have already affirmed that here is going to give us 90 and already here is 30, so that will give us 60. So here is 60, and then angle okay, so we have got the RSP, which is, and then we also know angle RQP is the same as angle RSP. So RQP, angle R, okay, QP RQP, the angle here, because they are from the same arc. So the angle here will be the same as the angle here. It's the same as angle RSP, which is the same as 60 degrees. Alright, so angle RQP is also 60. So here is giving me 60 degrees. Okay, and if that is the case, then what are we going to do now? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle sum up to what? Sum up to 180 degrees. So I can say that the angle I'm looking for, angle PQS, angle PQS. That is the angle which is left. Okay, so what are QS? Angle PQS is going to be what? 180 minus the addition of 40 plus 60 plus what? 30. Okay, so 40 plus 60, 40, 60, 30. When you subtract from 180, because 1, 2, and 3 will give me 180. So 1, 2, 3. When you subtract from 180, this particular angle will be left, and that is the angle we are looking for. So 40 plus 60 is going to give me 100, plus 30 will give me 130 degrees. So 180 minus 130 degrees will give us 50 degrees. So it means that our angle PQS is 50 degrees. Angle PQS is 50 degrees. So simple and just like that. So this is the solution for our question A and then our question B. I hope you enjoyed it. See you for more. Bye bye.